It's just 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The wind is too strong and it's zero visibility right now. Look. So we were sent home. I'll show you. I'm still in our parking area. So as you can see, it's almost zero visibility and the wind is too strong. Oh my Lord, look at that. So all staff were sent home earlier today because of the weather condition, and it's getting worse. Oh, thank you, Lord. I'm now home safe and sound. Thank you, Lord. It's already springtime, but we have another blizzard in here.